Hi everybody! First we'll talk about this pattern for bracelet. And you can find the link for PDF file in the description of this video, so you can download this pattern first. This pattern is made for my wrist size, but you can make it your own just by prolonging or shortening this surface between my hands. So, this surface of pattern between my hands is 13.5 centimeters. This is my wrist size. Since my wrist size is very small, you'll probably need prolonging this pattern, and you'll just prolong it on the right side. You can do it just by cutting this arrow-shaped part on the right side of the pattern and add piece of paper that is wide 5 centimeters and long as much as you need, meaning that if your wrist size is 16 centimeters, you'll add paper that is wide 5 centimeters and long 2.5 centimeters. You can tape it to the pattern, and you can later on tape the arrow shape piece that you have already cut on this pattern. Since you already have your pattern, you'll need a piece of leather that is 2 millimeters thick, and since you'll be customizing this pattern to your wrist size, you'll take as large piece of leather as you need so your pattern can fit on it. You should also pay attention on this line on your pattern. You have to cut it before copying pattern to the leather. Don't forget it. Tools you'll need are scalpel, scissors, ruler, simple pen or just pen, and wooden cutting board. And you'll probably need a tape if you're customizing your pattern. Now take your pen and copy this pattern to the leather. And don't forget to mark on the leather that line I was talking about before. Now you'll need wooden board, scalpel, leather and ruler, and just cut this shape for our leather bracelet. Maybe you won't be needing ruler, but I find its use easier and more precise when cutting with scalpel. Now, my dear people, this bracelet is done. That's it. 5 minutes of work. I don't think you need more than 5 minutes. And you'll see here how we are going to close it. But also, these arrow shapes, you can change them if you want. You can cut other shape or just cut these angles or wherever you want. I will leave it just like this because I like the arrow shape. So, that's it. And if you liked my tutorial, please subscribe, leave a comment and like. And as I said before, if you don't like it, just change the channel. Thank you, bye!